Hi, welcome again to 5-Minute Revit, and today tips and tricks is how to use the filter for mechanical system. Like for example, I have already here my system differentiate with this color, but I don't see the color that shade the whole duct, like here for example. It's easy. We can use a very simple tool to use that. Like for some time we have some mini user how I can override all that. I want to see to the color for the shade the whole duct, but sometimes it's like we don't have the right tool. Like we can use a filter, for example. Like for if I select here this duct, I know that the system type is supply air. If I select for example this one, I know that here exhaust air. Like if I go to Vivi here, I have already a filter here. I have a filter, add a filter. Now I have already created mechanical exhaust, mechanical return, and mechanical supply. I can select this by shift, this three filter, and I have them here, easy. Now I can go to projection surface and I can override the supply here by this blue color. Like I keep the same here, and I go for example the return by a green color solid fill, and like this one for example. And okay, now for my exhaust I have the return here by another color, like here this one, like magenta. Okay, and for exhaust I will use the green. Okay, now if I put okay, apply, just to see how it's work. Now if you see here I have the whole, now I can put okay. Now if I come here, now you know the system, it's more attractive, it's colorful. I can for example go here to shade, graphic, and I make it more smooth lines, anti-aliasing, and I go for a shade here and I cast a well, you can do it for if you want, and I go for okay. Now if you see I have this shade here and I have the system more colorful and my drawing more look attractive. Thank you, and I hope that give you idea about how to use a filter for your system.